Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Warp 9 video. Today we're going to be installing the E-Moto Big Light Kit. Let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove the ignition cover. So we'll do that with a 3mm Allen key. Then you're going to want to find your headlight connector and just trace the wire back. Once you've disconnected the headlight cable, we're going to take off the direct stem and remove the headlight bracket. From there, you can just remove your headlight. So we're going to take the bar mount spacer that was included in your packaging and install that. And the difference between our stock one that comes with the Warp 9 direct mount stem is there's holes for the big headlight kit. Now we're going to install the bracket included in the packaging with 6mm screws with thread lock. Now we're going to take the headlight with a plastic washer, stainless steel washer, and a 6mm screw. The stainless steel washer goes first in the bottom hole. Plastic goes on the inside of that. Go ahead and position your headlight button. Start by routing the headlight cable through the ignition cover and the harness. Stuff everything back into the area and reinstall the ignition cover. There you go. Your Warp 9 E-Moto Big Light Kit is installed. Have fun ripping, guys.